In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own custom URL on Carrd. We'll start on your Carrd dashboard. Click New Site to spin up a fresh project. You'll see a gallery of layouts. Pick a starting point that feels close to what you want. Don't worry about getting every detail perfect right now. You can customize content and design later. Once you've found a layout, click Select to open it in the editor. With your site open, let's get it online. Click the Publish icon in the top right to open the Publish settings. First, add a clear, descriptive title. This shows up in browser tabs and search results, so make it concise and recognizable. Then add a description. Aim for a short sentence or two that tells visitors and search engines what your page is about. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Next, look for the action area. This is where you choose how to publish. Select the option to publish to a custom domain. If you don't see that option or it's locked, it means you'll need a Carrd Pro plan to use your own URL. In the domain field, type the exact address you want to use, either your root domain, like example.com, or a subdomain, like hello.example.com. Double-check spelling, dots, and dashes. A small typo here will prevent your site from appearing correctly. When everything looks good, click Publish. Carrd will validate your entry and begin connecting your site to that address. Give it a little time to take effect. It's normal for changes to settle before your site shows up at the new URL. If needed, you can come back to the Publish panel at any time to adjust the title, description, or domain. Carrd also handles secure connections automatically, so once it's live, your site should load over HTTPS without extra setup. And that's it. You've added your own custom URL on Carrd. Save your changes, preview the page in a new tab to confirm everything looks right, and you're ready to share your link with the world.